Hello everyone, I'm Nidhi. I'm currently working as a developer in one of the FAANG company. I know many of you also want to join one of the FAANG company to have a work-life balance in your life, right? And you must be thinking, ma'am, what should be the starting step, right? So grab, have a good command, have a good grab over a programming language is very important, okay? Now you must be thinking, ma'am, which programming language we should start? Well, you must be thinking from where to start. As EPT always stands with students, so EPT has bring up a course where you will be getting all the four languages, either it is C, C++, Python, Java. You will be getting all these four languages that will be taught by Reddy Sir and the FAANG developers under one package, right? So that's really great news, right? So yes, and remember one thing, every programming language is having a structure, right? Only this structure is different, but the basic code, the logic building is same. Okay. So today only do check out the course and start your learning. Start your preparation for your farm career. Right. So meet you in the lecture soon.